Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your address to the address book section on the Banggood application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and after that tap on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down to this services section and tap on address book, which is the first option. Click on add new address down below. And after that, you should add your first name and last name. Then your country region should be selected. After that, your state, province or region. Then your city. Then address. Type in your postal code. And then your phone number, and after that tap on this set as default shipping address button, and then your new address will be added to this section. So when you purchase something, you don't have to type in all of this information because they will be added already. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.